Hey guys, so this is video number 2. If you haven't watched video number 1, introducing the 2 new boosters that we have that Mary Kay has just released, go back and watch part 1, and I go through what all 4 of these do and how you can and cannot mix those. So I'm going to walk you through my nighttime skincare regimen now and the one that I'm going to use tonight, which is new. So I invested in some dark washcloths because when I ran out of my cotton rounds, I started using my white washcloths and I've ruined a few. So I love this. This is our micellar water. This is actually not what it looks like, but my friend Julie introduced me to these. I got this at the Dollar Tree. They're really awesome, great for travel, so I can put my micellar water in there and you just push this down and it gives you a little bit. And so I'm just going to remove all the makeup off my face with my micellar water. This is like sweeping before you mop. It's really important to get the makeup off before you wash your face, because you want the cleanser to actually wash your face and cleanse your face and not just push around makeup and not get all that off. So step number 1, micellar water. The next thing that I'm going to do is my oil-free eye makeup remover, and I about freaked out because my 13-year-old likes to steal this. This is my oil-free eye makeup remover. Looks like it has oil in it, but it doesn't. You give it a shake before you use it, and then I just put it on another corner of my little rag here, and I just hold it on my eye. And so what this is going to do, it's going to break down the eye makeup. It's going to remove all the eye makeup so you don't have to tug and pull at your eye area. And so be very gentle with your eye area. When I rub, I try to always rub in. And so try to always rub in. You may have to rub out just a little to get those little fine areas in there. And I just flip it off on the other side and hold it again for about 10 seconds. And then just rub in. I'm gonna get my eyebrow too. And so it just removes the makeup without having to tug and pull too harshly on your eye. Make sure I get all that off, because you don't want the eyelash creatures eating your eyes, eating your eyelashes off. Okay, 10 more seconds. It seems like an eternity when you're tired. I get it, but it's really important to make sure you get all of your eye makeup off of your eyes before you go to bed. So the little Demodex folliculorum don't come and eat all your residual makeup and in turn eat all of your lashes off and go down in your hair follicle and they lay eggs. Don't want it. Don't do it. Let them eat your husband's face, okay? Let them eat your husband's face. Okay. So I think I got all my eye makeup off, and then now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wash our face. And so, oh, 1 second, gotta get it out of my shower here. I am on the repair line, so now we're just gonna wash our face. I love my Skin and Invigorate brush. If you're not using a Skin and Invigorate brush, this is gonna get your face 85% cleaner than hand washing. It has several different speeds, and it has a timer, so it's gonna give you, I hope you can hear, it's gonna give you, you should wash your face for 1 full minute. So it's gonna give you that exact time. Even with my micellar water, look at that. Oh my goodness. So imagine if I didn't use micellar water, you're literally just pushing makeup around on your face, right? Rinse that a little bit. Okay, it turned off. So that was a full minute. Even with the micellar water, guys, look at this. You know? So it's really important to make sure you get your face that good and clean. So now I'm just gonna rinse. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. Okay, so now that we got a nice clean face, my cat's in there making noises. Okay, now we got a nice clean face. I'm gonna do eye cream. This is our Volufirm eye cream. It's got a Zamac tip that helps take out any puffiness in the mornings if you have puffy eyes. So I'm about to go to bed. My eyes aren't too puffy, so I'm just gonna put a little under there. And I'm just gonna take my ring finger. Always take your ring finger. It's your weakest finger. Try to get used to patting. And if you have to rub, go in. Okay. Got your eye cream. Next thing is our boosters. Okay, so I'm really excited. So like I said in the first video, you never want to use your the only one you want to mix is your hyaluronic acid booster one. And so these two are the ones I'm going to be using today. I'm going to take the niacinamide, the brightener one. This one does have a slight scent, but you want to take like 5 to 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's plenty for me. I just rub it in my hands and I just rub it all over. And I just love how light it is. It just absorbs in so easy. It's just so light. And I also don't forget your neck and your décolleté area. Okay. And I like to finish by rubbing on the back of my hand. So that is booster number 1. The brightener. Okay. And then we're going to take a little of the hyaluronic acid ceramide, which is great for hydration. And I'm just going to do a couple of drops of this, like 3. I'm about out. I've been using this one for a little bit. So I'm just going to give my skin a little hydration. And so you only want to mix with the hyaluronic acid one, right? And and then all of these you can use twice daily. The only one you can't use twice daily is the resurfacer. That one you want to use 2 to 3 times a week in the evenings only. And it can't be mixed with any other exfoliator, okay? And so I know y'all are going to be excited about that one. And then next, you always, even after your boosters, you want to follow up with your serum of choice. Mine is obviously the lifting serum. You can tell how close I am to being out. I use this every single night. I just did 2 pumps. Mary Kay says 1 pump should do you, but I love it so much. It just feels so good. I wish y'all could feel, it just feels so good. But I like to make sure I put it on my neck for sure. But love the lifting serum. Okay, and then last but not least, since I'm going to bed and put my face to bed, is my night cream. This is our night treatment. It does have the retinol in it, encapsulated retinol, so you can use this every night. And I love how these jars, you just push it down, gives you the exact amount you need for your face and neck. And so this whole set, the whole Volufirm line, lasts about 5, 6 months. Some people say 8. I think Mary Kay says 4 to 6, but it just depends on how much you need. And I can really be frugal near the end, but I also like to use a lot of it. So, okay, so that is it. That is my complete bedtime, nighttime routine. I started with micellar water to remove my face makeup, and then we did oil-free eye makeup remover to remove our eye makeup. So gentle. It's our best, one of our best sellers. And then we washed with the Skin Invigorate brush and our foaming cleanser, and we did our boosters. And then we did, we might have done eye cream first. Eye cream, then our boosters, and then our lifting serum and our night cream. And that seemed like a lot, and it took me like 10 minutes to show you how to do it all and explain it, but morning and night with your boosters, it should really only take you like 3 minutes to do the whole thing. So I hope this helped you guys. I'm so excited about these boosters, and if you have any questions, I'll send you some more information on these, but these are really amazing. I'm so excited about these because it is really depending on your skincare concerns. You can incorporate some of these boosters and have specific results in what you're needing. And so I hope y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.